These are some of your different alternative stands and base weights for a temp fence line. What we have here, the anchor stand. It's the high-vis stand. It's an alternative to a metal tube stand. The benefit of this, you do have the bright safety orange color for visibility, but the real advantage is it's going to outlast your steel tube stands. If anything hits a steel tube stand, it's going to crumble and break that tube stand. However, with the anchor stand, you see the low profile. A vehicle's going to roll simply over it. There's no damage to the stand. You're going to be able to use it again and again. That's why these outlast steel stands by 5 times. The other helpful product here is the anchor weight. How do you stabilize your fence line? Especially when you're hanging privacy screen, you're going to need some base weights. For years, the industry's always used sandbags. Sandbags, if you're using them, you know the issues they have. They're messy, they can break, you gotta clean them up, and your crew's always filling them. Well, this is the recycled rubber, 33-pound base weight, the anchor weight. Places over any steel stand or anchor stand that you do have, whether it's a rounded stand, a square stand. It is a universal fit. Weighs 33 pounds. You can put them on both sides depending on the application or how windy it is. You could double up, you could use them on both sides of the fence. You could even space them out, and you can stack them as well. They come 72 on a pallet, conveniently stacks. Use these over and over. They're going to pay for themselves in the long haul. The other base here is the anchor block. Maybe you've seen some concrete or cement blocks being used to provide a base weight. This is the alternative to that. It's recycled rubber. Concrete, once water gets into it or if it's cold and as workers throw them, kind of disregard and throw them off the trucks, they're going to crumble and break over time. This recycled rubber block outlasts the concrete and cement blocks. It's a 45-pound base weight. The great advantage of this, I call it a 2-for-1. It is your stand, and it's also got the weight built in. So once you use an anchor block, you don't need to add any base weights. You don't need to add any sand block. The weight is already built into it. It's going to keep your fence standing. We're happy to pass this info on to you. You can download this here in the link below.